Hello, hello. May peace and blessings be with you. In today's video, we're going to take a look at how to customize a welcome post for your Facebook group. So let's dive right in. I am sharing my screen. Okay, so what you're taking a look at is a test group I created once upon a time. This is really my incubator where I test different ideas and things like that. So that's a pro tip for you right there. If you are just getting started with Facebook groups, please create yourself a private group, maybe add a friend or two to it and have that be your playground where you test out different ideas and just have fun. Okay, so when I am looking at the Facebook group, I have expanded the manage pane on the left. I am going to click on admin assist over here because that is where you're going to be able to create new posts, a welcome post. So you're looking for the option that says create post. If it's not visible, if this menu is not visible, it might be like this for you when you're first coming into this. Just click on create post and it'll expand this for you. And you can click on the add button to the right of publish a welcome post. That's the one you want. Go ahead and hit the add button on this screen, read through these questions and answers, and go ahead and hit continue. Here you have two different options. You can set it up in a way that it's based on a repeating schedule. So once a week, it posts every single person who has been added to the group. It'll just do a welcome message for all of them and it'll tag them. You can customize what graphic you use in there and all that good stuff. Another option is you say after X number of people have been added, I want to post this message. So you can do maybe 5 people, 10 people. So it will basically post this welcome post after X number of new members who have joined. When you click on this, you'll see a little message right here that says at this time, it says a maximum of 2 posts will be published daily. So this type of only 2 times it will post if you do something like this. But it's totally up to you how you want to set that up because you know your group best. Here you want to click on edit post. And while you are editing this post, you'll basically add a nice welcoming message for your members. And if you want to update the graphic, you will just hover your mouse over this picture and you will click on edit. And then you can add your own image to it. And that will be it. I'm going to just cancel that for now. And once you've added your own photo, you can just hit the save button and figure out the schedule, and that will be good to go. Once you are finished with that, you will just click on add to admin assist, and I think that will get it all scheduled and set up for you. Okay, I hope this helps. See you next time.